Hello everyone, welcome back to new video once again. So today I'll be talking about some kind of terms with English that can really help you. Okay, let's come to the point. তুমি কি রকম অনুভব করেছিলে যখন তোমার পরিবার তোমার প্রথম জন্মদিন সারপ্রাইজ দিয়েছিল? How did you feel when you got a surprise party? How did you feel when you got surprise party from your family? Family, your first birthday. Birthday. And number two, কেমন ছিল তোমার কলেজের প্রথম দিন? How was your first day in college? How was your first day in college? আমি তোমাকে ইংরেজি বলাতে পারবো না যতক্ষণ না তুমি চাও। I can't make you speak English until you try to speak. Okay, I can't make you speak until you try to speak. I mean, sorry, I can't make you speak English until you try to speak. আমি তোমাকে ইংরেজি বলাতে পারবো না যতক্ষণ না তুমি চাও. So how was the class? Let me know. And do you have any doubt? You can comment me know. No problem. I'm here to help you. So have a great day. See you some other time. Bye.